take this out. Good morning. So today, April the 1st, 2024. So we're going to start our job today. It's going to be a deck in Oshawa that we are building. It's going to be a 16 feet by 12 feet deck with a railing, with black metal picket railing, and it's going to be a floating deck with deck blocks. We're at the Home Depot. Wood. Temporary?
Yeah, just temporary. Just it. Make that one right.
Woodwork and everything needs replaced, and they'll need a fence. There's lots of